What is up, everybody? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how my first real estate deal fell through. So if you guys have been with the channel for a while, you know that I've documented a bunch of different businesses on this channel. I started off documenting the cars that I was flipping. I then started showing you guys my vending business. I would take you along for my vending route, show you how much money I was making. Then we introduced the pressure washing business to the channel, which is probably where most of you guys know me from. The next thing was landscaping. I took you guys along for some landscaping jobs. And then lastly, I showed off my mobile concession business for a little bit. I didn't show it too much. But for the past 5 summers, I've basically been running this mobile concession business. And last year, with everything going on, I had to end up selling that just because I was servicing a bunch of summer camps, daycares, company events, things like that. And just with everything going on, I wasn't able to service large groups of people. So we sold the concession business. However, I was still trying to find a way that I could leverage all the clientele that I had built for the past 5 years into another business. So for the past few months, I've been studying to get my real estate license. And in the month of March, I actually passed my real estate exam. And now I am a licensed real estate agent in the state of Louisiana. So since then, I've been learning the ropes in April, and I've actually had 1 deal fall through. However, I have 3 on the hook right now. But before we get into that, I want to let you guys know how we got that first deal. So kind of how I tell you all to start your business. You want to leverage your inner circle first whenever you're starting any type of business. So first thing I did whenever I got my license was I notified my friends and family that I was now a licensed real estate agent. I basically was trying to see if any of them needed any help with anything. So my cousin came to me. He's like, "Hey, Justin, check it out. I want to sell my house. I want to move somewhere else with some more land on it." So we kind of began that process a little bit. I went over, checked out the house, had him sign some paperwork. And before you know it, I actually connected with somebody in my office who had a buyer who was looking to move into the area that he was looking to sell in. So before the house is even listed, we set up a showing. They came, took a look at it. The buyers loved it. They put together a contract to purchase the house. However, this is the part where it fell through. He kind of got cold feet. He wasn't really ready to sell whenever they offered, and the house wasn't even on the market yet. So anyway, that's how that deal kind of fell through. But a good lesson that we can learn here is we want to leverage our inner circle, because that's where we're going to get those first deals. That's where we're going to get that experience that we can learn things from. So the first deal fell through. However, he did introduce me to another girl who I'm currently under contract with, and that contract is supposed to close at the end of this month. So just to kind of give you guys an idea of what I have so far, currently we have 2 houses under contract that are supposed to close in May, as well as I'm helping someone to find a lease. So I'm helping them to find a house that they're going to be renting. Basically, what I want to do with this, I want to add it as a series onto the channel where I kind of share my real estate journey with you guys. And the ultimate goal is for myself to really get some rental properties. So I basically want to start a new series on here. So if you guys like that, definitely hit the thumbs up button for me. Let me know. And if you guys have any ideas how I can make these videos better, because obviously I have to protect the identity of the purchaser of any of these properties, let me know down in the comment section below. But my name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. If you guys made it this far in the video, comment down below real estate and I'll hashtag you a real one. Until next time, hustle hard and get that money, baby. Peace.